versus Jeremy Cummings.
Mr.
Mr. Ms. Gillis. Thank you. Sorry about that. And then Mr. Glanda on behalf of Mr. Cummings.
Yes, good morning, Judge. Richard Glander for Mr. Cummings.
Jane Gillis.
This matter is set for PCC today. What are we doing with this case?
Judge, I've spoken with Mr. Cummings and he wishes to schedule this for a Zoom exam as soon as possible on both cases.
Ms. Fortier, Ms. Gillis, are you guys ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge, at this time, Mr. Glanda does have all the discovery, at least in the case ending in 8-2.
How soon could you do this?
I would ask for at least a week to make sure I can get my complaining witness here over Zoom, but other than that, I'd leave it in the discretion of the court.
Judge, are the only days they do exams would be on a Wednesday?
It's actually Mondays.
Oh, Monday. Oh, okay.
Right, and I was gonna say if they were ready, we could do it next Monday, but Heather, look and see, nobody has anything scheduled on the 25th. That would end up being no, actually, that would be Judge Oakley's Monday to do exams. Does he have anything scheduled then? He's checking. Yeah, but it's not. It's because that's her Wednesday, so it's Oakley's Mondays. It doesn't work like that. Look at that. Let me see it.
Yeah, this says Oakley's
It
Wednesday.
No,
Are you in February or January?
it's her live exams. Yeah. Oh, there shouldn't be anything scheduled because it's her. That's right, because it's his Wednesday. So it's her Monday. All right. So I could do it on the 25th at 11 o'clock.
Is there any way that we could, I have a doctor appointment that right at 11:15. Is there any way we could do it in the afternoon?
Can't do it in the afternoon. I could do it at 9 a.m. instead.
All right, let's do it at 9. Well, Jesus.
I could do it at 9 or at 10.
Let's try 10 o'clock.
All right. Is that good with both prosecution?
Yes.
Okay, so a Zoom exam, January the 25th at 10 a.m. on this Zoom. You understand?
Ms. Gillis, had you already sent me your discovery too?
No, but I can do that right now. I have a quick question. Is it, Judge, is it your Zoom number? I'm going to send out a subpoena.
It's going to be my Zoom number. Yeah, in the future, I won't be able to do this, but because Judge Martin just started, I can steal her Monday. Do you understand?
Yes. When does she go to judge's school?
She's there right now.
Okay.
All right. So that's it for Mr. Cummings. Everybody good? So it's
Judge,
going to be the 25th at 10 a.m.
Thank you. May I address bond?
Go ahead.
Judge, I'm confused as to what the bond is. I have my appointments here. One list, 75,000. I think this is Darian's case, 75,000, 10%. And then the other one, I have no bond. So I'm not sure what the bonds are in this case. My client indicates that
It looks like there's 75,000, 10% on both cases.
So that would be 70 each, 75,000, 10% each.
Yes.
I would just ask for a reduction in the bond, Judge, perhaps coupled with a tether.
Ms. Gillis, Ms. Fortier.
I object to any.
Judge, I would just note. I'm sorry. Judge, I would just note that this is Mr. Cummings' third domestic violence offense.
I know, I see the history. We have multiple domestics that he's been on probation to us for. For the moment, I'm gonna deny it, Mr. Glenda.
All right, thank you.
But I will send it for I will do pending the Zoom. Heather, refer it to pretrial services. So that on the Zoom day, we can look at what pretrial services suggest and I'll consider their recommendation. Do you understand?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, perfect. All right, you're all set. Mr. Cummings, I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Deputy, if you're there, can you give me Mr. Mitchell?
Yes, Your Honor, we'll get Mr. Mitchell right now.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
See ya.
Miss Gillis, you're all set. We have a Zoom exam next Monday.
Todd Squires.
Todd Squires.
Got it.
Got it?
Got it. See ya.
All right, thanks. Have a good week.
You too.
And then Mr. Mitchell, I'm looking for an attorney. Mr. Mione, sorry about that. I had to did you need more time with Miss Nash?
Yes, Judge, if we could have a few more
I
minutes.
had to get the jail out, so I had to cancel it wouldn't let me just cancel the
Okay.
one. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Let me put you back in a breakout room with her. Hang on one second. Miss
Thank you.
Nash, I'm gonna stick you back in a breakout room with the attorney, okay?
Okay.
And then Heather, do we know who the attorney is on Mr. Mitchell?
Judge, I'm not sure.
No, I know. I didn't know if you knew. I have a P number. Oh, no, it's Daniel Arm. I'm not familiar with Mr. Arm. All right, well, we'll wait for him.